Is Duolingo good for Russian 2025? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to give you the full review of Duolingo for learning Russian in 2025. If you're wondering whether it's effective, worth your time, or just a fun app to play around with, stick around till the end and let's get started. Duolingo is one of the most popular language learning apps, and it offers a Russian course aimed at beginners. In 2025, the course has improved compared to earlier versions, but it still comes with some limitations depending on your learning goals. 2. Features: gamified learning system with streaks, XP, and levels. Lessons include vocabulary, pronunciation, grammar basics, and sentence structure. Includes speaking, listening, and reading exercises. New additions in 2025: interactive stories and role playing scenarios in Russian. 3. Pros: free to use with optional paid version Super Duolingo. Easy to stay consistent due to short, engaging lessons. Great for vocabulary building and basic grammar. Mobile friendly and accessible anywhere. 4. Cons: not ideal for advanced grammar or deep conversational skills. Voice recognition can be inaccurate at times. Limited cultural context or real life application. Better used as a supplement rather than a complete language solution. 5. Pricing: free plan includes most features with ads and limited daily mistakes. Super Duolingo, formerly Duolingo Plus, around $7 $10/month, depending on plan, removes ads, adds unlimited mistakes, and offers progress tracking tools. 6. Final thoughts: if you're just starting out and want a casual, fun way to get into Russian, Duolingo is definitely a good tool in 2025. But if you're aiming for fluency or professional use, you'll likely need to pair it with other resources like native tutors, grammar books, or immersion tools. So that's all for this video.